When it comes to having a web conference or you're shooting a video or even photos and you need a stand for putting your webcam, your lighting, your phone, your GoPro on, today I want to share with you a great option for stands, and that is by a company called USKEY. So thank you so much for joining me today as I share with you about these monopoles that were sent to me to put to the test and to share with you. And I'll tell you what, it's really come in handy because, as you can see, the desk behind me, the other night I had a video conference, and being that I have a wall behind my monitors, I need to make sure to have good lighting. Well, now I had set up 2 lights with these poles to be able to give me much better lighting, and these are very extendable, which is nice as well. And also you can put it and attach it to most surfaces. In addition, for video, which I'll show you how I also use this for shooting my birds, so it's really come in handy. But let me share with you what's included. So you do get 2 of these monopoles. They are, I think this is an aluminum type of material with a metal bracket, and again, you can adjust to fit most sizes as far as thickness goes, and then I will show you how you can extend as well and attach this to the surface. It also comes with 2 ball head connectors you could see there, it's got the connector on the bottom, and I already have one here with the light, which is great. Then it also comes with 2 of these phone adapters, so you can easily connect to your phone, and then you've got the thread there on the bottom as well as on the back. It is a plastic material. It seems to hold up well with using with the case. I haven't really done much testing with it other than using it really with lighting and in another way, which I'll show you with the birds. But you do have this, and it has a foam material. It also comes with 2 cold shoe mounts. These are plastic, but if you have a need for the cold shoe mounts, then you have that there as well. These do have the caps on both when you get it, so you can easily unscrew that. So if you wanted to, for example, I can easily hook my GoPro up to it, and will connect to pretty much, it should connect to most threads that you are going to use, which is great. And that's, as you can see here, when I was using it for shooting videos of birds outside in the front, which is great. So it really has come in handy, even in addition for web conferencing. So let me quickly go ahead and share with you. You can extend it. It can extend from 22.8 inches up to 56.3. So you really can get very tall with this monopole, as you can see. And in the photo, as you can see here, this was able to raise above my monitor, so I can have the lighting beam on my face, giving me much better lighting for when I was shooting my video conferencing, and it's great. So you can adjust here these 3 levels, and you can go up to 56.3 inches. Now there are 2 options that you can choose from, as you'll see. This is the taller version of the 2, and then once you find your height, you just screw them on, and then here for surface, you would just adjust here with screwing this, and that's how this is able to stay on the surface. So I screw that on, and it stays well, and even with a glass desk that is about that thin, it seems to work really well. And then in the case here with lighting, I could attach small square lights to it. You could put a ring light to it, and a number of different light options. By the way, this is the box if you're curious what the box is. Obviously you can see nothing fancy about the box. The company focuses on good value for the money. So I love it. This is great. Really will come in handy, especially if you are in a need for having good lighting, like I have a need for back of my desk. That will really come in handy. But there's so many other different ways that you can use it as well. If you are having just a one-on-one video call and you want to connect your phone, you can do that, which is real nice. So if you are going to, let's say if you have an iPhone and you are going to do a FaceTime, you can easily just hook up your phone to the pole and then you can adjust the height. And let me lower this just a little bit there, and then you could just tighten the clamp, stays on there, and now you can have that video chat. So a lot of great ways that you can use it, and I love it. USKEY Vision definitely rocks. They have great products, value for the money, and this is, by the way, a rubber piece, so it's going to stay well. This is rubberized on top and on the bottom, but it should stay well in place, and you'll be good to go. So let me know if you have any questions. USKEY Vision, thank you for sending me this awesome set. Definitely will come in handy for me, and I know it will come in handy for so many people. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.